Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how to calculate the life of the bearing. Suppose any bearing is given, we have to calculate its life. So we will go through the procedure, how we'll understand how to calculate its life. Here we'll start with the step 1. We'll obtain static capacity CO and its dynamic capacity of given bearing C from PSG. Next step, to correct the dynamic capacity, which is reducing the dynamic capacity by its higher temperature, means temperature losses we are going to accommodate over here using temperature factor using PSG 4.2. Then third step, here we are going to determine x and y, which is radial factor and axial factor. So we know that this axial factor of deep groove ball bearing, which is depend on the ratio of FA by FR on PSG 4.4. This is given 4.4 for DGBB, deep groove ball bearing. X and Y's are depends on our FA by FR and FA by CO. For all other bearings, this X and Y depends on the ratio of FA by FR only. Then fourth step, calculate the equivalent dynamic load. So using equation P is equals to X into V into FR plus Y into FA into service factor. So P, which is equals to X into V into FR plus Y into FA into service factor. Yes. Now fifth step, determine life of the bearing. L dash 10, which is 90% of probability of survival. So it is given by C which is equals to P into L dash 10 raised to 1 by K. 90% of probability of survival. Or probability survival. Further, step 6, to determine the life or express the life in million revolution, LMR. Okay, it's a million revolution. So which is given by L by L dash 10, which is equals to ln 1 by P divided by ln 1 by P10 whole raised to 1 by B. So where ln 1 by P10, which is equals to ln 1 by 0.9, which is, when we calculate, it will come 0.1053, we'll substitute this value in an equation. So which is L by L dash 10, L by L dash 10, which is equals to ln 1 by P divided by 0.1053 whole raised to 1 by B. So in this equation we will get the life of the bearing in million revolution. In the last step we are going to determine life of the bearing in hours. So here life of the bearing in hours is given by the equation LMR, which is equals to LH into 60 into N and divided by 10 raised to 6. Here LH gives the life in hours, N is the speed. Do like and comment. Thank you for watching.